Why book a retreat when you could live at one? Let's check out this 4-bedroom home nestled on the banks of the Nashwaak River.
Welcome inside 22 Cottage Lane.
The kitchen area has a tile backsplash, a large island, and a heat pump. The open concept living area has a pellet stove and doors to the screened-in back deck. Upstairs you'll find 3 bedrooms and another full bathroom. Including the primary with 2 walk-in closets, a heat pump, and your own private balcony. Thanks for watching. For more information on 22 Cottage Lane, visit frederictonhomes.com.